Assalamualaikum. Hope that you all are doing well. I am here with you taking another learning in MS Excel. I'm going to share with you about AND function in Excel, and I will explain it with an example actually. So here you can see that I have already a data table. You can see the name, type 1, speed, fire type. This is a question. We are going to find out the type fire and which is also more than 70 speed. So this is the question actually. So we want to find out the which type, which one or which are type fire and also have the speed more than 70. Those will be our targeted answer. So let's try with AND function. Put equal sign, then AND tab. We select the column B2 because we are going to find out the type, fire type, right? So that's why we use the column, type column. B2 equal type should be fire. So double quotation, fire, double quotation, comma. Another condition is fire should be and having fire, and that should have a speed more than 70. So the speed column is C2 greater than 70. Now bracket close and hit enter. False. So we can drag the formula till to the bottom point. So you can see the answer. We have find. That means these are type fire and also meet another condition more than 70 speed. You can see that 80 and 100, but this fire has a speed less than 70. So this did not meet up our condition, and answer is false. So this way we can use and to meet up this type of condition.